In front of me is LG and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. Just let me show you some of them. At first, just enter the phone dialer because we will be entering those codes right here. And let's go with the first code, which is *##, *4636, ###. And as you can see here, you've got phone info and user statistics. To reach phone information, just mark it once, and here you've got all info. If you would like to perform the ping test, it is also possible here. Just tap on Run Ping Test. And that's it. As you can see, it passed. You can also reach user statistics, and here you've got detailed information regarding each app of yours. So this is it. That would be all for this code. It's pretty useful. And the second one that I would like to share with you is a bit shorter. It is *##, *225, ###. And here we've got the calendar info. So in this place you can find all events, all celebrations, important dates that are included in your Google Calendar and also in this device's internal storage. So this is it. Just enter the code and check what upcoming events are. Now we can go back, and now we will open Diagnostic Mode performed by Google as well. The code for it is *##, *426, *##. And here we've got Diagnostic Mode, where you can locate events and also status. And if you'd like to open Advanced View, just tap on More icon and click on Advanced View. Here it is. So this is it. Let me go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you today, it's the shortest ever, and it is *06#. And as you can see, this code will show you your email number. So this is it. This is how you can use it. And actually, these are all codes that I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.